Hey guys, it's Craig at Area 419. I want to introduce you to our newest product offering here at the shop, one that we've been trying to get for a long time, and you're going to love. It's Impact Actions. Tate made the first Impact Actions in like 2016, and by 2018, it was already the most popular action in the PRS. Since 2019, the 737, the one we'll talk about first here, has been the winningest. It has won more two-day national matches than all other action brands combined. They have won 7 of the last 9 Golden Bullets, 3 of the last 6 AG Cups, and both of the IPRF World Centerfire Championships. This is the action that all other actions are compared against. One of the reasons for its popularity, first of all, they make an exceptional action. They do a really good job of it. But second, Impact was the pioneer and the standard setter in guaranteed headspace, therefore the ability to make prefits. All of these actions, both the 737, the 707 that we will carry, and the brand new NBK Ultralight can all use the same barrels. That's a huge benefit to you as a consumer and to us as a retailer, because we're also going to offer along with these, we got an order in, we'll have them soon, a variety of proof prefits for Impact. So you go to the website, you can pick your action, you can pick your barrel, and by that time we'll have a nice video put together on how you torque these things together, and you are off to the races. You can also pick up a Trigger Tech and drop it in the bottom. This action is what created the modularity in the Remington 700 platform for bolt-action rifles that we're all so really spoiled by today. So I want to talk to you about these 3 actions and which one is the right one for your next build. Again, we start with the 737. This is the benchmark, the standard, the action that today all other precision rifle actions are compared against. This retails at $14.30. She's kind of a thick girl, comes in at 36 ounces, but if you're building a match rifle and you want to go compete at the highest level, there is no substitute for this. Everything that we carry is going to be in 75-degree bolt throw. You can also get them in 90-degree bolt throw. Tate makes them, and we may carry them at times in medium action, great for your like 6.5 PRC guys, 7 PRC guys, in medium action as well as long action. He also makes them in Magnum configurations, but the 737R short action, right hand, 75-degree bolt is the standard, and we're going to do our very best to keep them in stock here at Area 419. Now, you don't want to build an all-the-way match gun. You're not interested in your 27 or 30-pound dasher. You want something that can do a little bit of everything. You can go shoot a match with it, you can take it out and you can hunt with it, you can build it into a nice middleweight, and you maybe don't want to spend all the way on the rifle. The 707 is the answer for you. This is one Tate released a couple years ago. There have not been as many of them in circulation because he just has simply done everything he can to make enough 737s. But this 707 is a part of the line that we think has a really good place. It is a round body. The rail is a separate attached style. It's a way that he was able to keep that price down a little bit, but it contains all the DNA of that 737 that everybody compares against. Again, this 707 is kind of their utility product. It's the everybody product, and it's one to really look at if the 737 might not be the right thing for you, or you don't want to go all the way to the next one here. This is the newest action in their line. This is the NBK Ultralight. They had their NBK for a period of time. NBK is for Natural Born Killer. This is very much a hunting action. This is one that is released brand new this year. It comes in at only 25 ounces, retails at $15.90. If you are building a go out and kill it rifle and you want all of the same precision features that you find in something like a 737, this is it. Again, this thing is brand new. There's no way they're going to be able to make these fast enough. This will be an exceptionally popular action because as somebody that really appreciates a great action, has a lot of rounds in a great action, this is one. It just happens to be 10 to 12 ounces lighter than what you're typically going to find in a fully featured match action. Again, all of these can use the same barrels. Any Impact prefit you find will fit on any one of these. We're going to have them in stock the best we can at Area 419. If you've got any questions about which one's right for you or how to put this together and work it into your next build, let us know. Until next time.